Many thanks for joining the program and welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Friday, March 13th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 22,734.07 basis points with a market capitalization of 11.847 trillion naira, meaning it appreciated by 0.17%. The equities market closed the week on a full-scale bearish performance as investors lost 1.85 trillion naira, a red zone indicating the pressures from the coronavirus pandemic and the international oil price shocks. The top three gainers were United Bank for Africa, Fidelity Bank and Zenith Bank, while Africa Prudential, Cadbury Nigeria PLC and NEM Insurance were among the top losers. In terms of trade volumes, Guaranty Trust Bank, Zenith Bank and FBN Holdings were the top players. Going over to the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 707.65 basis points with a market capitalization of 508.76 billion. 5 deals were executed for the day and the volume of shares traded was 300,700 and 3.646 million in terms of value traded. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 29 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 368 naira 6 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 369 naira 20 kobo and closed at 368 naira 47 kobo to a dollar. You can also check for global commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on the screen. For the key highlights from last week Friday, for the first time in a decade post-global financial crisis, all the key market exchanges from developed economies to emerging markets experienced a meltdown in performance as the bears stole the show throughout the week. This is the effect of the twin coronavirus pandemic and the massive dip in the international crude oil price, which has brought significant shocks to the markets, economy, aviation, tourism, entertainment, sports, agribusiness, education, and manufacturing, amongst other sectors. The fiscal and monetary policy responses of sovereign nations will become critical at this period, with far-reaching impacts on the global economy. Even the panelists at the conversation on venture capital financing in Africa, organized by ProShare and facilitated by Dr. Ola Brown, founder Greentree Investment Company and Flying Doctors Health Investment Company, agreed that the coronavirus will not only affect individuals but also companies seeking to invest in markets like Africa. For the key market and economic events to watch today, the Securities and Exchange Commission will today hold its 2-day international conference of the Nigerian commodities market at the Congress Hall of the Transcorp Hilton, Abuja. The theme for the event is Commodities Trading Ecosystem, Key to Diversifying Nigeria's Economy. The chief host is the Acting Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission Nigeria, Ms. Mary Uduk, while special guests at the event include Minister of Finance, Mrs. Zainab Ahmed, Minister of Trade and Investment, Chief Niyi Adebayo, Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Alhaji Sabo Nanono, and Chairman Senate Committee on Capital Markets, Senator Ibikunle Amosun. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day.